Good morning to my dear students. Today we are going to perform an experiment. This is your WX publication practical file, and the experiment we are going to perform is from lesson number 12, crop production, experiment number 12.1, which is on page number 76. So let's start. The aim of the experiment is to separate the healthy seeds from the unhealthy one. So the theory behind it is, in chapter number 1, crop production, you have learned that it is very important to know the quality of seeds before sowing it, because if the seeds are damaged one, they will be giving you a poor yield, and if the seeds are healthy, free from disease, they will be giving you a high yield. So it's important to check the quality of seeds. So what you will be needing here to perform the experiment is a glass tumbler filled with water and few seeds. You can see here I have taken the wheat seeds. So moving towards the procedure, what you need to do is that you have to take some seeds and the glass tumbler. You need to add the seeds one by one in the glass tumbler. You can see that. Now I have added the seeds into the glass tumbler. What you have to do after adding the seeds in the glass tumbler, wait for some time. And after some time, you will be concluding that the seeds, those who settle down at the bottom of the glass tumbler, are heavy and the healthier one, and those who are floating on the surface of glass tumbler are hollow from inside and are the damaged one. So you can easily check the quality of seeds. Lastly, coming towards a precaution, you need to take care of two things. As the tumbler is made up of glass, do handle with care, and second, use only small amount of seeds to perform the experiment. Now students, remember the instruction that I am giving you, and you have to follow it before writing the experiment on your practical file. Your practical file contains two types of pages. One is the interleaf page, that is the blank page, and second is the line page. You will be using only and only pencil on the interleaf page. Headings on the line page will be with black pen, and rest of the things will be with blue pen. Now what you have to write on both the pages? First, the experiment number and date on both the pages, aim on both the pages, then theory on the line page, requirement on both the pages, procedure on the line page, diagram on the interleaf page, observation on the interleaf page, conclusion on both the pages, and lastly the precaution only on line page. Students, before writing the experiment on your practical file, please perform it, as the requirement needed for this experiment is readily available at your home. Do take care of yourself and your family. We'll meet soon. Take care. Bye-bye.